Today we're going to be testing out the Roblox assistant versus an actual pro Roblox programmer. Is AI here to take our jobs? Is it capable of doing so? And is it worth the time? Hey guys, and welcome back. With AI rising to seemingly do our jobs better than us, I needed to find out if we had anything to worry about. I asked my good friend Robo to help us out with 5 challenges.
Hello. Robo gave me a challenge to make 5 different objects versus AI.
And we'll see if AI can compete with a professional scripter. This should be really interesting because I'm going to give the exact same prompt to Robo and to the AI. This gives a whole different thing, right guys? Of course AI is good if you have the perfect prompt and tell it exactly what to do, but most of the people who are using Roblox AI or any AI in general for scripting have no idea what scripting is or how it works. Challenge number 1 is a kill part. And I simply told Robo, make a kill part on Roblox. So we're gonna copy and paste the exact same thing to Roblox Assistant. Make a kill part on Roblox. Let's see what it does and what kind of script it cooks up for us. To create a kill part in Roblox, you need a script that detects whether a player touches a part and sets their health to 0. An example script that you can use. Local kill part equals script.parent, okay? So it looks like you would put this script directly into the part that you want to kill a player. If I was to make this script, I would use collection service, and then you could just tag the parts that are kill parts, and then you don't have to have, say, 50 different scripts in your game. If you have 50 parts, it would be one script for all 50 of them. This, yeah, there's no reason it shouldn't work. All right, guys, I've got the script pasted in on Roblox, and now let's just click play here. All right, we're gonna walk on over it. Boom, and we do die. That's how AI did it. Let's give the exact same prompt to Robo and see what he does.
So I'm starting with a kill part first. Let me make a part in a script. We're making a local variable for the part. Then we writing part to get the touch event for a part. Then we're connecting with a function. Adding a hit, we're making a variable to get the player by using game.players get player from character. Then we write hit.parent, that is giving us a model from the player or from the object what it's hit, if it's a model. If not, it's empty. And then we're checking with the if statement if it's got something, and then yes, check, and then we set the player dot character dot humanoid health 0 to kill the player. Let me show it how it's now working. It's also working. Now retouching this part, and it kills us. I can do this infinite. I'm naming it kill part. Don't forget to anchor it.
All right, with the kill parts done and both being able to do it successfully, let's check out the next prompt. Make the player's walk speed increase after they touch a part for 30 seconds. Let's see what the Roblox assistant comes up with. It's definitely taking a little bit longer to think on this one, so that's something. All right, once again, we're gonna be putting this script directly into a Roblox part, and it looks like we can set its boost amount, which is gonna change its walk speed. However, 10, amount to increase the player's walk speed by. Okay, so it's not setting walk speed, it's just increasing the current walk speed. I was like, 10 is slower than Roblox's normal walk speed. We're gonna go ahead and edit this script, just delete that stuff and paste this stuff in, and I don't see any reason why this one shouldn't work. Walk on over the part, and as you can see, we are indeed walking a little bit faster. Let's go ahead and see what Robo did.
Making a part to give walk speed for 30 seconds. Similar, it's the same, besides this time we not setting the health to 0. We are giving player, I can control it, setting the walk speed on the player to 32, but not 36, 32. Then we do a task with spawn function, also adding a debounce, sorry, we added a debounce. I'm using table for debounce for each player, so we can hit multiple players. So we do then checking if a player has a debounce, if not has a debounce, then we want to set it to true, and we waiting 30 seconds to set it back to normal speed, and that is all what we need to do. Now I hit play to show it off. Now as you see, I have walk speed for a certain amount of time. I'm walking until it's run out. Now you guys see, it is off. If I touch it again, I get again walk speed.
As expected, it obviously works, guys. Robo is so talented. Now let's kick it up a notch. This one might be a little bit harder for AI to understand. And this is where I wanted to sort of add in some tricks to see if I can trick AI. I said make a part spawn on top of another part after the part is clicked. I don't think AI is gonna get this one. I'm gonna be 100% honest. Obviously, a human would know exactly what I mean. We're gonna have to add in a click detector on the part and some sort of clone function in a script to make this part repeat itself. But let's see. Okay, so it does say use a click detector and a script. I got it. Let's go ahead and check it out. Here is our new script. And here's our click detector. All right, so looking at this script, I did join in the game before checking out the script, and it obviously didn't work. So I went to go check out the script, and it is because we are doing game.workspace.spawn part, and in my game, or in my Explorer, it's just called a part. So if we copy spawn part from here, and we name our part spawn part, it should work like first try. There's no other reason or nothing else that we would have to fix. Check it out. Click detector. Now our mouse changes, and if we click, it does indeed spawn a part directly on top of the previous one. It also doesn't matter which part you click, which I thought is pretty cool and something I didn't even think the script would do. Let's go see what Robo ended up with.
Now let's work on the part where I need to click on it and then it's spawning another part on the top. No, I deleted the script. So we're using a click detector for it. Then we're going with script, making a variable for a click detector called I'm gonna name it click.parent to get out of the script once, then typing click detector to get a click detector. And this time it's not touched. This time we're doing, let me remove this, what I don't need. This time we're writing thing click dot click. What was the click? I'm not sure still. Okay. It was mouse click, mouse click. Then we're using connect function again. This time it is directly the player who clicked on it, but we don't need it. We want to generate the same, generate this part spawning on top of above the other one. So we don't need to click. Then we do new part. I'm cloning the. No, I'm not cloning. I'm making new part by typing instant, not new. Then defining what I want for an instant. That is, for example, this time a part. Locating it in the part, it's better. Then giving a part a position of a part. The position plus new vectors new dot new, making the first to 0, this first and last 0, and then making new dot size, like we are adding the size of the y for a new part. But now if I play, now let me walk to the part, I don't click, I'm spawning new parts every time I click on the part.
Not too bad. So far, AI and a professional programmer are exactly tied. All of the scripts have worked so far with the same exact prompt, and I didn't have to clarify anything to anybody. Let's step it up again. But first, guys, there's plenty of other AIs, whether that's art or modeling. Literally everything has an AI now with plenty of pros to threaten. If you guys like this video and want to see more pros versus AI content, let me know by dropping a like and dropping a comment down below. Anyways, next challenge. And honestly, this is where I think it's gonna start getting fun. The next prompt we have for AI: when a player sits in a chair, unanchor the whole chair. Basically, you'll sit down and the chair will break, implying that you're fat. So let's see what Roblox Assistant has for us today. I will actually be shocked if they get this one. We're dealing with a model, and you never know how many parts are in this model or anything like that. So let's check it out. Okay, so it's finding the humanoid, got it. And if humanoid, we're actually using break joints on a chair? I thought you could, like guys, I'm still new to the whole programming side of things. I thought you could only use break joints on an actual player. So it's interesting on a chair. And then we have an if-then statement. Let's check it out and see if it works. All right, guys, so this script is not working out the box. As you can see, we can hop into the chair and we get this error. Attempt to index nil with parent. It doesn't work though. So let's go see how Robo did.
Yeah, making me a chair and the chair gets unanchored. Nice. And rename it seat. Don't need to be, but now I'm putting a script in. Locate, giving you a seat, get out of script, that is the seat. Then we do seat, but seated, no, not seated, what's it seated? No, it was get property signal changed, and then it is office usiput, or what it's called. I don't know how to spell that out. Using a connect to connect to it. We could do the player or humanoid. I don't know what it's giving us directly. Never used it before. We want to do it if see obfuscate not the empty value. Then we want to get the model. Model is script model and a chair parent for out of script and one more from out of feed. Then we locate it in the model. Now we want to do a loop. We want to go through the parts. For us, we're using a for giving for the index, we're using I. For the object, we're using O. In pairs, then we using children, get all the childrens in the model, then looping through it, and now we check if the O is a base part, and if so, then we do unanchored equals 4. And then the chairs are falling in apart. Show it to you. You move the chat more to right, and now we hit play to demonstrate it. Now if I proceed it on the part, it is falling apart.
Of course, Robo kinda knocked it out the park. It works. That is 1+ for Robo. We do have one more prompt to try with the proscriptor versus the AI. And this one should be pretty easy. Make the part move when a player touches it. Let's ask the Roblox assistant and see what we're cooking with today. And here is what the Roblox assistant gave us. It's just gonna grab the parent of the script, which is of course the part, and then on part touched, which touched is a function of any base part. And then it looks like we're just moving it up. Here we go, bros. I'm walking over the part. 3, 2, does it work from AI? Ooh, we got an error. Oh, it's because our part is still named spawn part from the last script instead of just a part. So let's rename this one more time. We're gonna just get rid of spawn and we're gonna test one more time. 3, 2, did we error again? Tween position is not a valid member of part. You know, it's trying to tween the part's position and it just doesn't work like that. So that is a fail for AI. Let's go see what Robo did.
So now I make a part where it's moving if a player hit it. For that I'm using the walk speed part. Move. Let me go in the script. Then I'm removing stuff what we don't need. So if a player is hitting it, we do part dot position. We're using plus equals, but it's directly adding on it. We're using vector 3, and then we're changing the position X. So make it a different color so it's directly visible. Ooh, don't we have it? Okay, play to walk to it, and then with a part what is moving in the direction as we hit it. Oh, I killed myself because I hit the kill button. And as I go, as you see, I can do it infinitely.
Of course, the programmer kinda aced everything. Not only did everything work on his first try doing it, I didn't have to think of how to word it to specify how AI would need me to word it. Cause I'm pretty sure everything we've done today, AI could do if I had a better prompt. But considering most people who are gonna use AI scripting don't know what or how to script, I don't think we have too much to worry about. Now, for those returning from the previous videos, we have our 3 questions from the last comment section. Number 1 comes in from LumiYT, and they said, are you gonna have staff and a Discord for the dream game? Guys, I already have the Discord made. It's looking beautiful. I just haven't opened it to the public because there's no point to, right? There's no game yet, so there doesn't need to be a Discord. Will I have staff? Yes. Do I know who those staff are gonna be? No, not exactly. Question number 2 comes in from the Brown. I'ma just call you games, all right? I don't know how to, that's a lot. Quick question. How do you make the update public? I spent a couple weeks on an update, but I can't make it go public as the game is before the update. I would love the tip, and I love your vids. It sounds like you've already made the update in Studio. To make that go public, you're gonna wanna go up to File and then Publish, or Publish to Roblox, and then overwrite your existing place. After that, head back to the Roblox screen, click on your 3 dots right by your game, and then just migrate all to latest session. It's something like that, or shut down all servers. Either way works, but that's gonna get rid of all the old servers and make all of them the new ones that you just published. Great question. The last question we have today is from Its Name Here, and they say, do you ever lose motivation on projects or just outright stop them? Asking since I tend to lose motivation and I don't know how to regain it. You need some sort of external motivation For most people, it's money. So, hey, I am not exactly motivated on this project, but this could be the game that changes my life, so I better get motivated, right? It sort of turns into more of a discipline thing than an actual motivation thing. Have I ever just outright quit on projects? Yes, I have. It just sometimes it's not gonna work out. And if you're just losing motivation, odds are you're probably not working on something you're too happy about. For example, I've been working on a game for 11 or 12 months now, and I call it the Dream Game, and it's literally a passion project. There's nothing, I don't think there's any other game on Roblox that I could make that I would find more joy in when it's completed. So you need to think about what you actually want to make. It seems like right now you're focused on the wrong things, and that might be why it's hard to keep motivation. But guys, that is going to wrap it up for today. If you did enjoy and want to see more content like this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Later.